Hello, and welcome to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into the essential settings that can help your content go viral on YouTube. Setting up your channel correctly is the absolute first step toward maximizing your reach and discoverability. Do not skip this process. First, let us talk about the YouTube Studio settings. Under Channel Customization, ensure your channel description is detailed and uses strong keywords. This is critical for search engine optimization. Next, navigate to the Settings menu, then click Channel. Your country of residence must be accurate. More importantly, add 10 to 15 robust channel keywords that represent your niche and content themes. Under Upload Defaults, set the visibility to Unlisted. This gives you time to complete your full search engine optimization and thumbnail before the video goes live. Now, let us move to external tools. If you are using VidIQ or TubeBuddy, you must integrate them with your browser. Use their keyword explorers to analyze search volume and competition before filming a video. Aim for keywords with a high score to ensure better ranking potential. For your visual assets, use Canva. Set up a consistent branding kit, including your colors and fonts, for professional and recognizable thumbnails. Consistency drives clicks. Finally, for social media, when posting a teaser clip to Instagram or Facebook, use a clear call to action. Tell your viewers exactly where and how to find the full video on YouTube. Remember, every single setting and tool is a piece of the viral puzzle. Use them strategically to accelerate your growth. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more YouTube growth tips.